Uh, yeah, my name is Professor Nihad Fezjic. I'm from University of Sarajevo, which is in Bosnia-Herzegovina, so it's not in the Africa. And I'm glad to be invited here by the WOAH Africa and in this very important workshop and the conference. So it is about antimicrobial resistance. So I'm here presenting the professional networks, and that network is named the REEVMed, which stands for Mediterranean Association or Network of the Mediterranean Veterinary Educational Establishment. So it means that we are the network putting together the veterinary schools from the north and the south Mediterranean. And of course, the part of the North Mediterranean belongs to the Africa as well, and that is our connection. So we are somehow the bridging professional institution, from the South Europe and the north of the Africa and around the Mediterranean Sea. So talking about this workshop and the conference, it touched and addressed a very important topic, and that is topic of antimicrobial resistance, and which is not some emergent issue anymore, so it is emergent that somebody called it in the professional cycles, we called it a silent pandemic, so and the consequences and the impact can be huge with on the human health and the animal health and the one health. So, but here, which is the very good approach on this conference, we go deeply into the issue, so we talk about education, we talk about day one competencies, how much the students are aware of the issue and how much they can contribute in the solving the antimicrobial resistance and contribute to that what we call the antimicrobial stewardship. So this is the many countries here from the Africa and some very inspirational. The panel speakers are here, and currently we are in the phase of doing the practical things, so to see how we can improve, what we can do better, and how to be more efficient in this issue, how to use that One Health framework, to address all of that, and finally. And I think it is very important that all start with the education. So all conclusion from this will be used somehow from the educational institutions, and at the level of the education institution, we also need to change, so we should be aware that the veterinarian today, who are going from the veterinary schools to the field are they have some different challenges, of course, than comparing where it was only decades ago.